is this metal piece supposed to come with the new plastic push pin, because there was not a metal piece in here? And does this big spring go here? And then I know that this push goes inside of here. The problem is that I do not know what this is for. And then also, this piece fits perfectly in the new push piece, but in the old one, it is loose. So the ID appears to be a little bit different. But if I do not use this, I can get it all together correctly. So we want to know, am I on the right track by not using this? And where does this spring go? And is this gap supposed to be microscopic between here or not?